Yoga focuses on feeling every part of the body, just as work requires constant attention to every detail. It reflects my unwavering commitment to precision in work. An EasyLink PLC kit exemplifies this precision. PLC kits enable plug-and-play, are easily installed, and they ensure security across all areas, maintaining stable performance and high efficiency. Excellent wall-breaking capabilities allow me to easily control the live view of each area from the front desk, solving the issues of occasional signal instability. Hey, this is the secret of PLC Kit. It gave me reliable company. It's like practicing yoga, constantly shaping the perfect. It's been with me every day of my life. Thanks to the EasyLink PLC kit, I feel more secure,